Where are you from?
I'm from the north.
What are your qualifications?
Okay. I've worked with white people. I've worked in Sheraton. I've worked in so many places. So I guess I'm the best person for this job, ma'am.
Write down your name and your number.
Okay, ma'am.
What are your qualifications?
Oh, right. I'm a graduate, ma.
Graduate.
Yeah.
Of what?
I'm a graduate of microbiology.
So what job are you seeking for?
Actually, the country has no job, so I can be a driver, a good driver. I'm a good driver, ma.
And you dress like this?
I really don't see anything wrong with my dressing. Yeah.
Please get out of my house.
Sorry?
Get out of my house.
What about the job?
I don't want touts around my premises. Get out.
You called me tout.
Get out!
Damn. Now, wow, I beg you, sky level. Am I supposed to work for you? Thank you, Johnny. All you play, you don't have to work. Yeah, that's my share out, John. I left you out here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your name?
I'm Crystal, ma'am.
What are your qualifications?
Okay, I'm a graduate from University of Jos, and I read hospital management.
Well done, ma.
What is your name?
My name is Pius Afodimpa Obodo Diegwu.
Mr. Afodimpa. Where are you from?
I am from Mbamini local government area. My local government, Naga Dinulo go. That is where I am. Where back comes.
What are your qualifications?
Ihe ọwụla ọwụ kamgbe ụkọtọ nga ka anyị akwọla m ọka mbụ kwọọ garị kwọọ ose enwedị ihe na-akwọ akwọ na even osisi mgbe m kwọgo osisi na Benin any plank down ya bụ osisi ọbụla dị ha na Benin ọ mmiri na-akwọjisie mbụrụ machine moto ịhụ nga m guzuru ote nke ka m ga-akwụrụ aga m akwọ ga ya na-ada nwa bụ ịma na oto na osisi ha enwedị ihe na-akwọ na-akwọbedị na ndụ machi.
I mean your qualifications, not what you have done in life. Your qualification.
Ọ otu ihe a tụkwa ime m kwuru ihe mgbu ime kwuru ime m tụkwago mgbu ọ ihe m adịke m chefuru anyara m moto gwongworo tipa ndị a na-ebu aja n'ọnụ mmiri gaa na nja abụ ụmụaka aja niile na-eko nga ahụ onye ọbụla m na-ekodere aja o juru n'ụlọ that person no build the house. I dey drive gwongworo tipa na-ebu aja. I drive Moluwe for Lagos. I drive pick and drop. No motor. Even I pilot, I drive am. Nothing where they drive, one no drive. Even the last before I come out for work, na Palms company. I drive all these Panwopa people where they carry body, where die. I drive, so one day, I carry the body, they go. The thing come, and whether the woman where die, they say na strong woman. She come miss me to lead me. I can't carry her. Instead of carry and they go mark, I carry and tigi shebema. Ndị nwoze chegozi beji lota pass at home. That is when I loses my job. But now I can drive any kind of motor. All this motor why they see here. Chigam kick in Webembugaga. Machi.
All right. Put down your name and your number.
Write
Write your name and your number.
Hey. I feel call and make you write them. Ogaraho. I did nampa. Makaham Trogulogo. It will long well. I go write only Pious. That one I know, but in the code, I'll got my own.
Wait a minute.
What is your name?
I don't cook for so many places. So. No baby, anywhere where person die, na me they cook. As I talk to you now, from kitchen, now from one come here, and they make me tired up. Say my come, write my name at least. May you know say I did ready for the work.
Put down your name and your number.
Okay, ma.
Hi, good morning.
Are you a mother?
Of course I am.
Write down your name and your number. You may go. Next.
Good morning. Madam, that one asked me for my occupation. I occupy 2 rooms and 1 parlor for Amala village. That one my occupy. Then I don't do security for many years. So security work, me and Gate, we do wedding together. Nobody feel leave each other. I swear to God, my grandpapa na security for Chief Dr. Nandazik Onyiwe. Na security. Dr. Nandazik can die. My papa na insecure Awolowo Gate. Now Awolowo can die. As I dey now, if you die, I will go secure for another place also. You see me, if I start work here, Nana, you see all this your dog, why I see Nana, they have no other choice but to give their life to Christ. Gate occupation. Now my gift from heaven above. As I dey here now my heritage, and my son is the next. To God who made me and you and heaven and earth. We talk us ready. Bam. Go pray for tinye retinye.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm here for the interview, ma'am.
I'm done selecting.
No, but actually, ma'am, I'm here for the interview. I've been looking for this job since.
I said I am done.
Please, ma'am, I've told around. Please, I'm looking for this job, please. Please, ma'am, please, I'm looking for this job.
How dare you touch me?
Come on. Wait, excuse me. Caro, I wait till they call you. You can agree. Wait till you cook. That thing where you cook, where you get mind, gather conscience, bring up for me, make I shop. Say that in that food. Wait, from your church mind now, you don't cook food, Abi? Come, don't try me for this house, oh. I dey go burial for my village where Chief Okotoke, I go for his burial. If you chop food, eat our food, if we fuzie nyabu offense sala in cages, boroko we galishie, you didn't remain really. What kind of food is this now? You won't give me pause, Make I tell you, wait, oh. So now this is now they cook. Now you come full us line up here. Say they cook food. You be caterer, I be waiting. Is your lens? Is your leg bumpete?
See as they look you. See as they look you. Just open that your mouth. The young rubbish they give me, Abi.
More.
I cook food to give you. You eat and finish. Not even there the plate. Even use that tongue like dog. You come there they talk rubbish. See make I warn you. Anytime when me Carol go cook for this house, where you not like him, Kukuma use this your 2 left leg. Go outside, go buy food, eat. No they want me for this house, oh. No they want me for this house, oh.
More. Ma take my 2 left leg, you go buy food, pass and eat. With the money you give me now.
You don't even thank your star, say I even leaked the plate. Plate where I leaked to help your career, because your career don't already finish. Come here, tell you, your future is my past. You know, say me, I know they even worry myself. Now you are the help, Makachineke. And as soon we take money, go buy food outside. You give me money here, it will worry you.
See, person, where say my help? You carry hungry, enter this house. Now so you do when you come here. Now so you do when you come here. Thunder, we go fire, you should do press up for it. The thunder big like this. What gonna be your problem, self? See, see what I tell you, see this house? Oh, na bere, na for my hand today. Oh, you pay, the person go eat. Try me again, make see. Useless get man.
Oh, eba kisa between here na pere and you really gbejuwa. Eme go ye hakagi. Karo you really gbejuwa. Eme go ye hakagi. You know you can't go outside to chop your food. I know gam quick. Who did that day? What did they worry you? Who did that day?
What is it? What happened?
Oga, I don't know.
See what? Eh? Wait. Pious. That's true. You left this house with my sister.
Yes, sir.
Where is she?
Sir?
I said, where is she?
Oh, your sister, Abi? Okay, sir. Yeah, she, Oga, in fact, you're supposed to thank God for my life. You begin to do among my name. Makachineke, if you see what happened to me today, if it happened to any of you here today, nobody go fear escaper. If not beside the pious where they clever. If not beside pious came the clever, even when my papa and my mama died, they left cleverness. I'm joining and come him to be clever.
Tell me, where is my sister?
Now I want to talk now. As I come to drive your sister, as I did normally drive, I did for steering. Like those music where she they like, I come on them. The thing now them now to chaka boom boom, chaka boom boom. So we don't call it for that September Junction. September Junction to be a budget. As I call her like this, I want to stop her where she want to. She says she want do hair. She want do nail. She want go buy cucumber. That long cucumber where she they always.
I am running out of patience. Oh. Where is my sister?
Everyone now come to her. Just wait. I want to launch the door where she is. So as I don't, can't enter that apartment gate where. All those Abuja people, they said something. Now there she says she wants to buy wig, all those big one. I say, okay, madam. The next thing I hear, I'm robbers, criminals, hotel, wham! Hami puta.
I'm robbers?
Yes! I'm robbers? Yes. They came out from nobody. I don't know where they come out from. You know, if you see gun, they carry machine gun, AK-42, AK-43, and na kunele mi obuni gwe na da bi mpaga ka disi ihe nwere nwaanyị si ma me move on see I move on nga mad na anwu where somebody dey die they tell me move on to where she say move on say them no move on I want to move back nwere nwaanyị akọrọ mpi nwere go back on one side low hotel kabo ọsọ brother na agba m na-ekpe Chineke anapụta nwa mgbenye ọ ga-atụ na otu mkpụrụ nwa only son obinigwe iwụdachi obinigwe nke atọ hey father of all father
you shut up
yes ma
keep quiet
thank you sir
you have the nerves to leave my sister in the mouth of the lion.
Yes, sir.
You have the nerves
for my own life.
Baby.
Died there.
Baby, please just calm down. Nothing will happen to your sister, okay? Please.
Yes, my lord.
Please just let him go.
Yes,
please.
my lord. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pray nothing happens to my sister.
Amen.
Pray.
Amen.
Hey, madam, don't go. Hey!
Pius! Pius, say be. Gun where they shoot, when they even reach 30 minutes. Now you tear it from that place. Brrr, run enter here. May they come kill us, Abi. Why you don't run? Cross the other street. Eh? After me and you go to drag position. You don't even go training before you come for this job, Abi. Now you make I trust myself. If not me, me will be say they train me for Chinshanshoya for China. Eh? If I fight them, then they call me Master Chifo. Master Chifo, then they call me. If I deal with those people, you go see, you go know who I be.
Katara, Obola, Bingo where they train for China. You go do Takashi ha because you don't see fruit. Monkey banana, you don't see fruit. You need them. Abala, monkey in a monotone. I will not blame you. Me and you come to work inside the same compound. Driving and opening of gate, is it the same thing? Do you know where they put throttle? Do you know where trafficator is? Do you know where they put radiator water? Stupid imbecile.
You cannot compare your job with my job.
Oh, shut up your mouth.
Now, me be the chief security officer of this particular house from federal government of Nigeria, police commando. If you don't know me, you know today.
You know people who don't drive. Some local will die. Some local of Nigerian Nollywood International. I drive some local. Even the day when drive, I mean die go. Now me drive I enter the hotel. Say I'm going wrong.
You drive some local. You dey talk. Me will be say I don't security for Dr. Nandaziki house. You know me? Ojoko, let Ojoko. Na me security for his house.
Lekonye. Tina onwu diwe. Imwe sho onwu na agburi na ejiri kpoyo onwu diwe. Imambo so onwu di iwe na ndie. Destiny Etiko wey be say they hear am. Destiny Etiko if she sit down for back hotel hanya she go block everywhere. Na me drive am hotel na anya Destiny na anya ochi. Na anya when him na anya po give am name aka go banana maka chukuna na buy the nkata. If you touch this banana, two of us go eat dog with that life.
I dey craze. As land legit na banana. As also banana him dey wedding to no one. It's just a small banana. I mean hit na banana not just look a big aka. You will name my area. It's just a
Come.
God, I mean, the chief security of this house from police commando. Where you don't have any right to touch anything that's under my custody.
I will close the gate. Don't be me cause I'm no nobody blame me. I dey do my work jejely. As gunshot happen everywhere, from left and right, bing. Small pikin where they born for ties, we go run for her life. She dey tell me move on, pious move on. Say me can move on. We no get extra life. You, if anything happen to you now, you get papa, you get mama. I be only child, my mama don't die, my papa don't die. Nobody dey speak for me. I be only person. You know how many bullets I use my hand collect today? More than 5 bullets. This one come from right. I'm worried. I'm worried. Come now. I can't go now.
What's nanas?
Machi.
Hey.
Who am I? Just move on. Say no. I will not die where you die. As the bullet, they can't take that gun. Okay. Set time for my front. So me you run all your life. When they come now run half a life to be cool. Oh.
But Pius. Wait, make I ask you. Why you not carry small madam come back?
It's true.
Why you no carry her come back? What of if small girl come reach there and you can't be say the criminals don't kill am nko?
If the criminal kill am, make the kill am, na wetin concern me. If the criminal like make the kill am, wetin concern me? Na what I call here come drive oh. I no be bodyguard. Abi you see any gun wey dey carry give me say make I take follow body. Aga m na anya motor na agba egbe. Ndo anyanya nwa onye nwula nwuru ọrụ ya. These people where they here, we go the shoot now go flush and clean my toilet. Now so you now wanna walk. You not to open gate. You own not to cook. Maybe say it's a big cook, but with the manager. Me na drive, I come drive. I don't go drive, God. I didn't me.
Pious. Pious. See your mouth now. Like tell on him rope. Like tell on when no get rope. See as your mouth does they do they go so.
Tell am.
Eh? What is your problem? You carry small madam go outside now, leave and there run. If they kill him now, and all of us now go they shake. Eh? Now you make I trust myself, so you don't even go training. You come here, come collect job with me, make me and you come the rush shoulder together. I trust myself. If na me there, na me be the only Nigerian security man where they train for China. For federal government of Nigeria, police commando wear. If you see where they fight for China, I mean they call me chiefo. Chiefo and a chinch show ya.
No be you leave gate run. Why you start say you leave gate run? You dey do it.
Ma I tell you, that gate where I live run. Now wetin they call safe defense and civil defense all together. Make I tell you, they say who that person will fight, run, go live to fight again tomorrow. As I come back, so see say the gate they save. Now make I lock and to save on save everybody, save even Pious himself, to save myself. That is the duty.
Christ onye nzọpụta.
What are you still doing there?
Yes, sir. You go and get the car. Come. Yes, sir.
Did you see that?
Please help me beg your sister. Make she don't tell your mama wetin I do. Please, sir, please. I don't call your door mouth. I want knock. When I get closer, I can't hear different kind of noise. I can't hear, oh my God. I can't say, Ijononaka. And I have to say, make I return back. Make I come stand here wait for you to come out. Now that you don't finish work, I beg of help me beg your sister, please. Please, sir, please.
Pious.
Sir.
Before the count of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
You will leave this leg now and let me go where I'm going.
Please.
1.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. My lord.
Hey. No, please, but please help me beg him, please. Please help me beg him. I don't want to lose my job. Because, please.
Babe.
Baby. Please, I am begging on his behalf.
Forget this.
Please, just do this for him, please. I am begging on his behalf.
Don't mind this clown. Forget him. Forget this crocodile tears you see him shed. It's not making sense.
Baby, are you trying to tell me that I cannot ask you for a favor?
Yes, ma.
Please. Until you do what I asked for.
Yes,
I am going nowhere.
Oh, yes.
Please.
Sugar, you know it's because of you.
I know. I know.
If not for you, I wouldn't listen.
I know. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Yeah, I will speak to my sister.
Thank you. Pious, you may rise, but let it not repeat itself again. Okay?
Yes.
Pious! You stand up from that place. Are you mad? Hey, Pious! Sir? Pious!
Sir?
What is this?
I have issue of the leg.
Which leg?
My third leg.
Your third leg?
Yes, ma.
You see what I told you?
Oh.
You see this? I told you this guy is a clown. You just take a look at. He's shedding crocodile tears. Look at. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, please.
Madam, thank you very much. God bless you. Now you be correct woman. In fact, now you be our last bus stop. Machi.
Good on you.
Sir?
You and who? Our.
Oh, now she be your last bus stop.
Better.
Yes. Machi.
Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
Yes, ma.
You're not doing that.
Yes, ma.
Respect yourself.
Oh.
Truth.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Yes, ma. Ebe, ukwu toro ote, onye ma ote ebe ha ga-atọ, ukwu nwaka ewe ifo, na-atọ mmanụ. No wonder, ị na-akwụ. Oh my God. Ebe ndị mmanụ eriela ihe ọma. Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.